10 properties sold in the zip code 93923. That's unincorporated Carmel, California. We are going to show you the map because it's a very large zip code. It goes all the way from overlooking Monterey Bay and Jack's Peak, all the way down to Palo Colorado Canyon and Big Sur, about a 14-mile strip north and south, and from Hatton Fields west of Highway 1 to Carmel Valley Ranch, about 7-mile stretch there. So a very large zip code. Of those 10 properties that sold, the average sales price was $2,670,000. And that was about 94% of list price is what the sales price ended up being for the month of May. So let's take a look at what we have for statistics and also on the map. There are 42 properties for sale now in June. That's a 4.2 month supply of inventory. When we go to the map, I can show you where Jack's Peak is overlooking Monterey Bay. A lot of these have beautiful views of Monterey Bay, and it goes down Highway 1 to Palo Colorado Canyon, goes out Carmel Valley Road out to Carmel Valley Ranch and Tierra Grande in this area. Very large area here, one of the biggest zip codes on the Monterey Peninsula market. So let's take a look at some of the highlights because I chose the most expensive one here. That is in the area known as the Santa Lucia Preserve. The price was $6,595,000. It is a 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom home at 42 Rancho San Carlos Road. This is the old Rancho San Carlos, 20,000 acres. 18,000 of it is in permanent preserve. When they named it the Santa Lucia Preserve, it has very high security gates, and it is surrounded by the Ventana Wilderness, and it is just a beautiful place to be. Very large acreage. All for the most part estate homes. And then you have a property here that was priced at $1 million when it sold, and 4-bedroom, 4-bath at 26095 Doherty Place. And then here's one that represents the middle of that price range, median price at about $2,350,000, 6-bedroom, 3-bath house, right by Carmel High School, 6 bedrooms, 3-bath at 25225 Stewart Way. I guess with 6 bedrooms, that's a good place to be by the high school with lots of kids. So anyway, that gives you an idea of this large area here and the prices of the home and the averages. So since real estate is hyper local, I'd like to put my team to work for you. I'm William Smith with the Carmel Luxury Group, and I really do appreciate you joining us for the market snapshot and Carmel 93923 for the May snapshot of 2023. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you next month.